At the starting of the week, at Summit Talks, you'll hear them speak. It's only Monday. Negotiation.
Yeah, I'm about to step in the ring for the fight of my life. Hit my knees and I strap on my gloves. Boy, I've been prepping since like I was 7. And thing is, I'm already covered in blood. Walking in love, this for the ones who've been stuck in the mud, searching for hope. Trust me, I know what it feel like to drown in my problems, but God came and threw me the rope. Can't wait to look in his eyes. All of my life I've been battling lies. I found the truth and took off my disguise. Come for my head, I still live for the prize. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I was in the city going down, trying to blow. Everything changed when I learned to let it go.
Нам не лететь, ведь никогда не поздно повторить. Мы молоды до мозга костей. Время, потеряли мы, но больше впредь не упускали шанс.
Try to get me in a room, yeah. Everybody wanna talk, why? Always coming with the tunes, they know I'ma take it far, right? Something I already knew, yeah. Never needed your applause, nah.
Yeah, bitch, I'm in my bag, yeah, bag, bitch, I just made a bag, yeah, bag, bitch, I just made a bag, yeah, bag, a big bag, yeah, nigga, I got a
she won't let go till it's scarred.
Кеудеде намыс қайнап, көзімде от ойнаған, қаршыға қанаттары әлі де қатаймаған. 5 жасар баласы да аттан деп ат ойлаған.